Dive into cutting-edge agricultural education and research with the University of Guelph's Department of Animal Biosciences, Ontario's only department of its kind, and ranked #1 in Canada. Recognized globally, the university's agriculture programs now rank among the top 15 worldwide in the 2026 QS World University Rankings. The Department of Animal Biosciences offers a diverse range of courses and hands-on experience in animal health across both research and industry settings. Its world-class grad programs cover every aspect of animal biosciences, preparing graduates to lead and innovate in the field. Thanks to the Ontario Agri-Food Innovation Alliance, a unique partnership between the University of Guelph and the Ontario Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Agribusiness, faculty and students have access to industry connections and facilities. Among these is the only federally licensed university abattoir in Canada and a meat science laboratory. Current research at the department is driving breakthroughs in livestock health through genetics, computational modeling for sustainable practices across animal industries, and specialized labs dedicated to aquaculture, equines, poultry, and companion animals. Explore the work and educational opportunities that make the University of Guelph a global leader in agriculture. Download the ebook now and take the first step toward discovering innovation in animal biosciences.